Sanmonani and welcome back for yet another segment engithanda kakhulu where I read some of your interesting takes after watching episode 23. Ake sibhekeke ukuthi abantu batheni. The first comment is from Umaga Boy. Uthi Snare, I am so proud of you. Uthandosh yena uthi ziphi lezi nkomo akayekhuluma ngazo ethi zi more than 50. And guys, I think anganoma khona ucacisile yini, but I don't think bethi inkomo zu 50 beqonde ukuthi imali u50,000 or around 50,000 because kule episode that siyibuka uchazile uba anganoma bekubaba wakhe yini uSamke echaza ukuthi inkomo zu 6 or 7 and ike ngeke zehle more than 10. So if zu 6 zu 60,000 and then mase kuba ivula mlomo ke le ebekuthiwa ngabakhipha, I think ngibone guys ningangijudge ngibalile le amala abayikhiphile, I think it was 15k or something like that bekuyivula mlomo I think. So sekuseleke u60k or more than that, but I don't think bethi inkomo zu 50 like literally. Upalisa yena uthi ivula mlomo 16k yane. And then uMercy uthi uCocomelon is saying their relationship is still fresh. I thought it was interesting that she mentioned that. Why engasho like exactly ukuthi how long have they been dating? Ngoba kuningi guys like ngoba ethi ubengayitsheli ukuthi uzosheshe ayise inkomo kubo. I don't think ukuthi it has anything to do with her as a person. I feel like umselegu just wanted to rush nje le process ngoba isikhathi besimshaya. I don't think ukuthi ugeli is that special ukuthi ngaze athi cause akamazi fana uthi akamazi and uzomfunda emshadweni. But kesana, that is just my opinion. Not that ngithi konke wrong ngaye uSamke. I feel like abazani kangcono, you know, but kesana suthini. USP uthi Cocomelon, priceless stress is what you will be getting, darling. Ask the wives, babes. And then uLizzy uthi Macele, you are so spiteful ne family yakho because they know very well that if Mselegu takes a wife, they will benefit. I agree with that. Ricky uthi hela wena priceless, these streets are ruled by Shiba Sewasoshabeni, chill. And then Utindo uthi Cocomelon is really excited to join the circus. And then Ukahiso uthi I'm priceless while you are being number 5. Awwa girl, your husband doesn't even have a medical aid. Yeah, sada. Precious ubuza ukuthi is it just me or does it look like this episode was shot before Musa had a stroke? He looks healthy. And then uSiphelele uyamphendula lapho uthi yeah, I think so too. Remember wayethe angeke amlethe kuMacele engakamloboli. And then aphinde futhi uPrecious amphendule athi oh yeah, it's just that the other wives didn't know ukuthi she's already Mselegu's wife. Yo guys, ayivela ke mina ngena umuntu onakayo, and it's interesting that you guys caught that. Mina nje benginake nomselegu naye bengambukisisike nje ebusweni bakithi bengithi nje mina this is how nje ama episodes are progressing. But I'm glad some of you guys are noticing these things ngoba now it puts us kulo mcabango ukuthi oh okay, now I understand why benza ngalendlela benza ngayo. Uziwana yena uthi I want to understand why I would refuse my polygamous husband to take more wives. Is it because I will not get enough of that I was knowingly already sharing? Is it because the new wife is way younger than me? What exactly would be my reasons? Also, the fact that the husband is adamant that he will take number 5, will I not waste my time fighting a losing battle? Yane? I guess ke uziwana uzama understand ukuthi where the wives are coming from, and I get that, but at the end of the day you can say yes to into manje noma uzama uyi-understand manje into, but as ihamba isikhathi you start to realize no man ayibo kudlalwa ngami la, noma it doesn't serve you anymore. Mhlambe at the time ungabona ukuthi iyakuseva into in a way, but hey, when it comes to love nje, hey, it's very complicated. And then uLinde lapha uthi uMacele nje noMseleku bawumoshile umndeni, and it's the unfortunate truth ke sana, ngoba ukube ngempela akavumanga uMacele. Mhlawumbe izinto ngabe njengoba zazinjalo before kufika unumber 5 asazi. But ke naye ufela lokho ukuthi ulalela indoda yakhe. Uningena uthi kodwa ngathi bawaphambanisile ama-episode khathi elotsholo, kodwa kade bamletha kuMacele shuthi wayengakaloboli umfana. And then uThobeka-ke uyamphendula uthi they did state in another episode that lama episode eswabuka manje ama-negotiations are actually never before seen. Shuthi lama negotiations bawenza behind the wife's backs vele. uLovely uthi if uMacele is saying that she told uMusa to only bring her after the lobola negotiations, and keep in mind Musa looks healthy here, so basically uCocomelon got her lobola paid before he got sick. Why did they set up the whole plot in such a way that is somewhat a lie? So since Usamke was already a wife, did she pitch in on the hospital bills? And also then that means sasingekho isidingo sokuthi benze lento abayenze benoMacele of pretending as if abahambi ndawonye. Yo guys, imagine ufihlwa lapho usulotsholiwe. Yo sana. uNtombi uthi what a boring episode without uShibasi. Guys, ngeke toxic. And then uSanelisiwe uthi how funny he didn't have money to pay for his medical bills and uMakhumalo had to step in. Usenayo futhi imali yokulobola yena. Hayi sana, ngoba dengisho nje khohlwa ke ama-medical bills, mina ngisho nje ukurenovate nje the main house nomuzi kaMayeni. Ziningi nje izinto ezidinga ukwenziwa laphana, kodwa nje azenziwanga nje, bekuduma nje lento ka-number 5. Kanti ke uBotshelo uthi the way I want this number 5 thing to be just acting. uMusa is fine with just 4 wives. And guys, I've been seeing a lot of comments of people saying Guti, this show is scripted, nani, and I'm just like, aibo, umsele ngempela ubhore ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi angaze akhe this whole story of unumber 5 azikahle ukuthi abafazi bakhe banjani, kuze kube namahemhem ukuthi uSamke ukhulelwe, amanye amahemhem athi usezele, ingane isikhona, usihlala eMzumbe. Like, understand ngempela ukuthi abantu baqhamuka kanjani nalama conclusions ngempela. Yes, obviously it's a reality show, ezinye izinto zi-exaggerated vele, and futhi ezinye izinto ba-actor vele ngoba bayazi baphambi kwamakhamera kwezinye izinto. Like ziyabonakala ezinye, like ukushayana, indlela abakhuluma ngayo, I think bayayibamba lapho because obviously babukwa yizwe lonke. But khona izinto ngempela obonayo ukuthi no, these things are not faked guys. But ke asazi, mhlampe ngirong, kuzovela phambili ukuthi this was all just a script kwakudlalwa ngathi. uKitso uthi Samke, I'm giving you 7 business days after you're officially married to Umthombeni. On the 8th day, he will blame you for making him lose his wives and telling you ukuthi unempakamo because you said you are priceless. And then uSthembile uthi balambela kumseleku labo 16k imvula mlomo, hayi bayanya, qede azothi ku trip bazosiphakela emosha imali kuCocomelon othwala iSavannah ekhanda. Guys, angeke nimnqoleleke for that. She was young bakithi. Yo, hayi